Hi everyone, today I will tell about how to record video lectures. How to record video lectures by using mobile. I will tell about that. First of all, you need to install AZ screen recorder. In order to install that app, go to the Play Store and search for AZ screen. Okay, you can see the first option, AZ screen recorder. You can install that app. By using this app you can record your videos with unlimited. There is no restrictions for this recording time limit, and also you can stream live. You can stream live in Facebook as well as YouTube. Just install that app. After installing, whenever you can open the tab, you can see right side shortcut one toggle will be available, as well as you can also see in notification bar. In notification bar you can see different buttons. Here you will get a pause button in order to pause the screen record, and again you need to resume that record, as well as you can see stop button in order to stop the record, and also draw. This draw button is used like a marker. And next, in order to, after these buttons you can also see one start button as well as settings. The settings button is very important. You can click on settings. Here it is not visible, hence I am started my recording, so it is not available. Before starting your record you will give settings button. Just click on settings. There are different options available. There you can check whether your video record will be in high resolution or low resolution. The settings will be available in settings button. Okay. Next, after recording this AZ screen recorder, opening this AZ screen recorder, just click on the document. I am opening document. You can open any PDF, Word document or PPT in order to explain the content to the students. I am opening the PDF document. Just click on Unit 4 PDF. I am clicking Unit 4 PDF. In order to view the PDF, again we need to install some any PDF editors. I am opening in PDF editor. Okay, the page will be open like this. In order to explain to the students, just rotate your mobile. After opening the PDF, just rotate your mobile. So that's why the resolution will be in landscape mode. The resolution will be converted to landscape mode, and after that you can explain the content. Okay. And next, in order to explain any points, if you need any marker, just click on the top notifications. You can click on draw button. You can see the symbol like this. You can start explanation any points if you want to necessary. In order to exit this marker, click on the right side corner, top corner. You can click yellow color paint button. Just click on here and click cross symbol. The marker will be disabled, and you can start your explanation by explaining the points. Okay, this is the one way. Similarly, you can open any PPT and start the explanation, same thing, and similarly Word document also same thing. If you don't have any content in a PDF format or Word format or PPT format, just install the app Cam Scanner. You can install Cam Scanner. The Cam Scanner app also will be available in Play Store. Just search for Cam Scanner. You can install. I already installed the Cam Scanner app. You can just open that Cam Scanner and start your scanning your document. Like this you can scan it. You can scan your document. If the document is not available in PDF or PowerPoint, whenever it is available in paper content, just scan the paper whatever you want to need, and just click on alignment. I am setting the alignment at correctly, and just click on next button. The document will be recognized, and you can save the document as PDF or Word or image. We have different options like this. The option the document will be saved like this. I am saving this document as PDF. Okay, after saving the document you can start your explanation, same thing. Okay, this is the concept where how to record our video lectures by using mobile. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.